So here we're doing a tour. Look at that. The Porsche Atomic Blonde. There's a Pullman. SLS. Look at that gullwing. Holy. Wow. This is amazing. $356. Wow, I don't even know what that is. This is some kind of special edition. Look at that. Looks like a Carrera 2.7 RS. Look at that. Here we have a GT3. A 912. This isn't a 911. This is a 912. Wow. 911T 2.4 liter engine with a target top. So neat. So that is so cool. So this is one of the old school Targets, and this one has a leather roof that you pop off. That is cool. It's another Porsche. Old school. Here we have 911 Turbo. Here we have a slant nose. Look at that. The pop-up headlights. Look at this Mercedes. Green. With the matching wheels. Look at that. That is a real Jaguar E-Type. This collection is nuts. The Jaguar E-Type from the front. Mercedes SL. Wow. $450 Mercedes SL. Look at this. 911 3.2 Carrera. Another 911 Mercedes SL. I've never seen one of these before, the detail myself. I've seen these online, I've never seen them in real life. Look at that. Wow. This is so cool, I don't even know what that is. This is cool. BMW i8, SLS AMG. I love that. Lamborghini Gallardo. Oh, it's a Super Leggera. This is a real Super Leggera. I've never seen one in a Super Leggera. Look at that. SLR. 356. 190 Mercedes SL. Here we have a Ferrari. Here we've got another classic Ferrari. If you've seen Bad Boys, this is the car from that. Look at this. This Porsche I haven't sold. Mercedes SL. Here we got a beautiful Ferrari in like I think a chalk color. Look at this. Ferrari 458. One of the best ones I've seen. If you like Aston Martins, look at that. So now we're going to go back here. This is an old Mercedes. Or is it an Audi? I don't even know. That blue is amazing. It actually matches my outfit. This is a Maserati. This is an Alfa Romeo. That I don't know. Look at that. I gotta look some of these cars up. Thunderbird. Back in Toronto we have one of these in black. Here's a Porsche. Here's a Porsche 911 with gold font, very rare. Here's another Porsche. An Alfa Romeo. I have this one in a Hot Wheels car. I've never seen this in real life. Look at that. Oh my god. If I could buy one car here, probably this one. Wow. Or this. But I want them all. Look at that. This one is a Brabus, a real full Brabus. Look at that. Here's a G-Wagon 4x4 squared, carbon and everything included. Golf racing truck. There's some Morgans out there. Here we got a Ferrari. Beautiful blue. This is a Mercedes SL. Now we're going to do there and then come over here. 6.2 liter engine. Mercedes SLS. They've got like 20 of these here. Mercedes SLR. They've got like 20 of those too. AMG GT Black Series. I've only seen one of this in Toronto. This makes two. Honda City. I've never seen one of these. Look at this. Special. 722 SLR. Second time seen one. Here we have another SLR. And then the double Austins. Here you can see the Ferrari. Look at this. I didn't expect to see a Ford GT today. That is so cool. Here we've got a Ferrari. This is a Ferrari. I've never seen a green one. Look at that. Another Ferrari. This is a Lamborghini Aventador here. We got a lot of these back home. Another SLR. Look at this. This is so rare. Wow. Now that is cool. 620R with MSO options. Very neat. Even the wing says McLaren 620R in carbon fiber. Look at that car. Here we've got a Porsche. I actually really like the fried egg headlights. This is a Boxster. Oh, I've always wanted a first gen Boxster. Here we got a 5.0. I love the 5.0. Here we have, if you've seen Scarface, you know this car. Here's a turbo with fried egg lights. I love that. Z3M hatchback. We didn't get this one in Canada, but there's one of it. So someone imported it. Here we have a turbo. Look at that. Twist wheels, the fried egg headlights. Here we've got another Ferrari. Look at this gorgeous Mercedes here, perfect condition. All blacked out Ferrari. Another all blacked out Ferrari. The 360 and F430 are two of my favorite Ferraris, and I've got quite a lot of all those here. Another one of these. Look at that. Mercedes SL, Mercedes SL. Super cool Beetle car. This is a BMW Z8. Holy. I'm gonna have to come back here again. I can't see all this stuff in a day. Brand new, fresh from the factory V8 G63 AMG in white. Here we have a G-Wagon convertible. These are so rare, but this is only my second time seeing one. G-Wagon convertible. It's actually beautiful. Mercedes SL 500 actually. Here we have a Ferrari where the top goes down. This is a Triumph, right-hand drive too, so it's from England. Beautiful blue Porsche. British Racing Green 911 Carrera. The top goes down, Boxster has GT, saw that. Here's the Turbo S. Here's a 911 with fried egg lights. Here's where the lights pop up, that's really cool. And then this is actually a Ferrari. This doesn't look like a Ferrari, but it is. I've never seen this before in person, only in movies. And then you got that Z8. Look at this place. So we've already done quite a few of the rooms here. So we're going to be getting upstairs now. This is an Alpine. We don't have these in Canada. Look at this classic BMW. I don't even know what BMW this is. Here we have a Mercedes SL in British Racing Green. Look at that. Over here we have brownish gold carbon fiber Pagani wire. Look how cool that is. We have a Mercedes going, or SL, well, almost going. Look at that. We have Porsche Boxster S. We have the Porsche Metallic Blonde. And then we've got a bunch more over here. And so we've already done all the cars downstairs. So we're doing the upstairs now. So you've seen that. There's also that, an M1, and another Mercedes SL. And if you like that, right beside it there's another one. Here we're back to this little section here. There's a shop down there. Look at that. This is like, if I could pick like a vehicle spec, I'd go with this. It actually matches my outfit, like the blue on blue. And then here we have a Ford GT. I think there's 2 or 3 of them here. Here we also have 2 of these. It's a G-Wagon convertible. G500, so it's a coupe and it's a convertible. It's a V8 engine, so this isn't the G63, it's only in the G500. Here we have the really special Mercedes, and I've never seen this before, but here they have 2. Real Jaguar E-Type, S-Class, 24-hour Nürburgring classic car, Volkswagen, Porsche Taycan. We did this room with hundreds of cars. Now we're over here. This is a Porsche 911S. Gold paint, gold wheels, and like a beige gold interior. Really nice. Here we have some more cars on the left. We've got blue on blue matching Mercedes SL. We have an Aston Martin, and then I can't tell what's behind it. I think it's a Ferrari. Over here we have green Porsche 911. Can't tell if it's a 911 GT3 Touring or a 911T. I can't really tell from this angle. It might be a GT3 Touring, just because the way the back and front are. And then beside it we got a Corvette, and then I don't know what the last car is. Here we have a white on white SL. So here's blue on blue, here's white on white, black interior. And this one isn't a convertible, this one's a coupe. Here we've got a classic Ferrari. This is really beautiful, look at that. Ferrari bag. If you look down here, it's a BMW. There's a Ferrari being worked on in the shop. Here we've got some BMW I've never seen before. Wow. Look at that. Mercedes, this is an old Mercedes S-Class. Debadged. I think it's a 460 or 480 SEL. Brown on silver. Still has like the original tires with the wipers on the windshield. Look at that. This car I've never seen before. I don't even know what that is, but 7,000, that's really cool. Aston Martin Rapide S, which is really neat. Look at that. So if you see this, you might think normal Aston Martin, but this is a 4-door. Here we have, this is actually a full Morgan dealership. I've never even seen Morgan cars on the street, but here it's a dealership. That is just so cool. Definitely have to check that out. Here, this is an E90 BMW, or E90X, whatever you want to call it. But this is an Alpina. This isn't your typical 3 Series. This is an Alpina. Look at that. So this one is full Alpina. Here we've got a section of random cars. Porsche. This car, I don't know what this is. Here we've got a blue Porsche 911, we've got a bike, some toy cars. Got a lot of history over here. The history of some bikes and stuff, which is really neat. Wow. Little chair. Stylish. That is cool. Here we've got a Mercedes 230 TE wagon or estate, whatever you want to call it. Look at how good that interior is. Still has all the original stuff. Over here you can see all of this. So much cool stuff over here. GT3RS. This is the coolest place I've ever seen. Lava Orange GT3RS. And look at this little, I think it's a little tiny Fiat. It's cute, 500. Got another car here. I don't even know what this car is. You know it's a rare car if I don't know what it is. It's 544. Look at this. Everyone has signed this car. That is so cool. Wow. All the signatures. Look at these. 2 in a row. Here we've got an art car. Some history cars. We got another car made up or something up there. Wow. Look at that. So that's where we end this video. Thanks for watching. But look at that too. That is so cool. And here we got a BMW bike. So this one, 328,000. Oh, look at that. This one's not for sale. 124,000. $134,000. Ferrari 308. Cheapest Ferrari I've ever seen. 59,000. Look at that. Right beside these. $249,000. 620R MSO options. Look at that. 39,000. Porsche Boxster S. $39,000 Porsche 996 Cabriolet in green. Also has Porsche twists. Wow, only $23,000 for this beautiful Triumph. This is probably a car here I'd buy. I like that. $229,000 Mercedes SLS AMG for sale. Look at that. They've got quite a few cool cars. $319,000 for this. 4x4 squared. I wish this was for sale. Wow, they've got a Ferrari California in a beautiful blue spec California T. $127,000. That's a good price. I like that. $69,000. This is an SL65 AMG. I love that. This car is sold. This is a Porsche. $189,000. G-Wagon Coupe convertible. This is a very cool car. BMW Z8 Roadster, $219,000. Wow. Here's a brand new G-Wagon, $279,000 versus the old one for sale. Ferraris are going down, $59,000 for this Ferrari 400. That is cool. $68,000 for this Porsche 928 GTS in turquoise. $54,000 996 convertible. $110,000 Porsche 911 Turbo S. $49,999,000 5.0 GT. This one's really nice. 928 S4. The pop-up lights on it. This is a beautiful car. Just $50,000. 996 Turbo for $84,000. Look at that. $49,000 Z3M Coupe. $74,000 Turbo. $84,000 you can have a Ferrari. I've never seen this one that cheap. Wow. Bunch of mini cars. $339,000 SLR. $94,000 for this Ferrari 360. $139,000 SL600. But this is one of the cheapest here. $34,000 for this. I like that. $34,000 Volkswagen Käfer. $29,000. Look at that. First up, $249,000 McLaren 620R. Lamborghini Aventador, $294,000. This Ferrari 308 is $134,000. $59,000 for this. Look at that. Not for sale. This beauty is only $34,000. $50,000 for 5.0. This is $40,000. So these are the same price. Look at this car. Triumph. Just over $100K for this Ferrari California T. This SL65 is for sale. Look at that. $69,000. Every car you can think of. This is a G-Wagon Coupe with a convertible roof. $189,000. Brand new Stormtrooper spec G-Wagon. BMW Z8 $219,000. This is really cool. This is an old school BMW, $30,000. Volkswagen Käfer, same price. They got some really cool stuff here. Look at this Ferrari. Wow. Look at that. $149,000.